Hi, I'm Emily from Motormatch Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this automatic Nissan Qashqai in black. This vehicle is powered by an efficient 1.3 litre petrol engine and meeting Euro 6 emission standards. This stylish vehicle offers a blend of modern technology and practicality. This vehicle benefits from these stunning 18-inch alloy wheels. This vehicle benefits from these stunning halogen headlights, as well as LED daytime running lights and front fog lights, as well as these stunning rear lights, ensuring that you are always visible no matter your journey. Now moving into the rear cabin, we can see the stylish three-toned cloth upholstery with your ISOFIX anchor points to secure those child seats, USB ports for your rear passengers to enjoy, and a movable armrest with cup holders. Now moving to the vehicle's boot, where we can see there is ample of room inside, with the back seats folding down at a 60-40 split for even more room. Now as we move into the front cabin, the stylish look continues with the same upholstery on the front two seats as the back, as well as a fixed sunroof for letting the light in the vehicle and a fully adjustable seat. Now this vehicle also benefits from a leather multifunctional steering wheel, where everything you need is at the click of a button in front of you. Now moving to the infotainment system, as you can see, you can access navigation on this vehicle, ensuring you never get lost, as well as you connect your phone via Bluetooth to listen to your own music or explore the radio options available. There's also a 360 parking camera and rear parking camera, making it easier than ever to get into those tighter places. Moving down, we have the air conditioning controls, where you can control the cabin's temperature. Thank you for watching this presentation on this automatic Nissan Qashqai in black. If you are interested in this vehicle, please get in touch with our friendly sales team here at Motormatch Stoke.